Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3D box card that I made for my husband. I'm using my favorite things, bathroom essentials, dynamics, and also for sentiments, I'll be using my favorite things, bathroom banter. As you can see, I went ahead and cut my cardstock using my Big Shot machine. To create the 3D box card, you're gonna need to cut 5.5 inches by 11 inches. So start scoring your cardstock at 3 inches, 1 inch, 3 inches, 1 inch, and 3 inches. So the total will be 11 inches width. So I went ahead and cut the window for my box. So I just used one of the dynamics by my favorite things. Then I'm going to use this pattern paper by Color Book. So I went ahead and cut the pieces for the sizes of the paper that I'm going to be needing to cover the base. Some of the pattern paper, I cut it slightly smaller so you can still see the edges, the white edges, and or you can just plainly cut it the same size as the base card that you're covering. It's fine however you want. As you can see, the box is coming together. It's very simple and very easy to do. So now I'm adding pattern paper for the inside of the box. Now I'm done covering the inside of the box. Now I'm gonna finish covering the outside of the box. Now I'm done covering all the sides of the box. Now the fun part begins, putting all the pieces together. Like they say, patience is a virtue. All these tiny pieces that I have to adhere onto the pattern paper are really hard to do, but patience, you just need patience to do this. But the outcome is gonna be so good. So it's worth it. I'm adding a frame with a stamped picture of a whale just to, add in the bathroom. So I thought it would be really cute. The picture frame is not part of the bathroom essentials dynamics. It's actually that one I got from Honeybee Dies. This one is part of the house. I got the house one, and I'm actually excited to do that too, so I can't wait. And yeah, so that's where I got that picture frame. I'm adding the rest of the paper pieces to add more 3D look. I decided to color some of the bathroom essentials so it won't look blend. But the first color that I chose, I really didn't like the outcome, so I tried different colors until I'm satisfied. And I decided to color the edges of the frame as well. Now I'm almost done with the 3D box card. I'm gonna be stamping it using the My Favorite Things sentiments, the bathroom banter. Now I'm done stamping and I already adhered to make a 3D box card. So the 3D box card's finally done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. And this card, 3D box card, can fit an A2 envelope, A2 size envelope. I'm so excited to give this card to my husband. I know he's gonna love this card and laugh about it. So stay tuned for more cards and upcoming projects. And thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye for now.